Hi dearies, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be making pink lip scrub. So if you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, like and share my video, and watch those videos to the end. Okay, let's start making our scrub. So today we'll be making our pink lip scrub. This is the scrub you actually use to scrub your lips before you apply your pink lips balm. Guys, if you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, like and share my video, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell below so that you'll be notified when I upload a new video. So in case you want to know how to make your pink lips balm, please just click on my picture you're seeing up right now on your screen. Click on my head and it will take you to my channel where you see all my videos. Check out on how to make this pink lips balm. This is the balm you actually applied after you've scrubbed your lips with the pink lip scrub I'm about showing you how to do right now. Okay, let's start making the scrub. My recipe for today are my vegetable glycerin. I'll be making use of my sugar. I have my white sugar here. You can equally make use of your brown sugar. Then I have my lactic acid. I have my lemon oil. You can make use of raw lemon. Yes. Then I have my food coloring. This one is optional. Yes, it's optional, but I like it when my pink lip scrub is pinkish a bit. Then if you don't have your vegetable glycerin, you can equally make use of your honey. You can use your honey, but I prefer using my vegetable glycerin. So the first thing I'll be adding into our bowl, I'm just making a little, this is just an illustration video, so I'll be adding 2 teaspoons of my sugar. I added 2 teaspoons of my sugar. I don't know if you can see this. Yeah, 2 teaspoons of my sugar. So next I'll be adding so this is my lactic acid. I'll be adding 0.5 ml. That is half of 1 ml. In fact, all I need, according to my calculation, all I need is 0.4, not even up to 5. So here is my lactic acid, 0.4 ml. I'm using my dropper because you cannot calculate this with your scale. It's not that easy. So guys, the next thing I'll be making use of is my lemon oil. I'm using citroclear concentrated serum, lemon extracts. Yeah, I'm using lemon oil. So I'll be adding 5 ml of my lemon oil. This is 1 ml. This is 2 ml. Oh, sorry, I'll be adding 4 ml. I've been taking half of this. This is actually 1 ml. The full of this is 1 ml, but because I couldn't suck up to 1 ml, I've been taking up to like half of it. That's why you've seen me taking 4 now, but that 4 is equivalent to 2 ml, so I still need to take 4 of it again. Yeah, I think so. So this is 3 ml. This is 4 ml now. I hope you understand me. I don't want to dip this into my serum because I used it to take my coloring. hope you see what I'm doing, guys. Wow, it smells nice. It's actually smelling like lemon. So the next thing I'll be adding is my humectant. I'll be adding this, my vegetable glycerin. I'll be adding 1.6 ml. So this is 1 ml now. It's 1.6 ml. I'm making a little quantity just for my subscribers. I'm making this video for you guys. I've been thinking of this, like seriously, I've been thinking of you guys. So guys, here's my food coloring. I just had to, don't want to put much. Don't want to put too much, just need a little. You can see there's no big deal about this thing. Very easy to make. Very easy. You can make it yourself. You can make this yourself. So in here I added my lactic acid. My lactic acid will exfoliate your lips, take off the dead skin cells on your lips, those chaff and dried scaling things on your lips. The lactic acid will take it off as you scrub with this sugar. Yes, then the lemon oil will lighten it up. Yes, to lighten up your lips. So after you finish scrubbing, you now apply your lip balm. So here's my scrub. Here's my scrub, my pink lip scrub. It stays in place. You see? So here's my pink lip. So what you do is that you use it to scrub your lips. I'm shaking up the scrub. So I'll be leaving this for 5 minutes. Yeah, 5 minutes. Then I'll go and wash off and come and apply my pink lips. So guys, I just finished washing up my lips. So I'll be applying my pink lips. I'm feeling this soft touch on my lips. Can you see it? Sorry, I'm using our natural light, so that's why I cannot really see my lips right now. Like seriously, instant pink lips. My lips is turning into pink. Looking pinkish. Okay guys, so thank you. Love you guys. Bye.